Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here today. Before I get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss any of my content. So today I'm going to bring you a wig review for pinkypromise.com. We're going to take a look at a brand new style by Wille. This is Delight, and the color on this one is Sandy Blonde Rooted. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at this new style, Delight. So Delight is a heat-friendly piece. They call their heat-friendly fibers their high heat fibers. So just know that, you can use heat tools on these. They will send you a little guide in the box that lets you know, temperatures and things like that. I usually don't use over 300 degrees on my heat-friendly fibers. So I think she's really, really cute. She's kind of a messy, out of the box, she has a few waves and just kind of a messy, shag kind of look. So I think she's really, really cute though. And, there's a lot that you can do with her because you could add curl if you wanted to. You could straighten her out more if you wanted to. So you could get some product in there. And I think she'd be really pretty, fluffed up with some product. And so I just think she's really, really cute. So I'll do a turn so you can see her all the way around and then we'll get into all of her specs. So here we are from the front, obviously. I like this little swoop of the bang at the front. Now, of course, you could use your heat tools and get that to go more away from your face if you want, but I don't know, straight out of the box, I just love the way that front layer is laying, so. Okay, so she is an extended lace front with a left mono part. Very nice cap on this one, very pleased with it. So you can see those knots. This color does have what they describe as a dark root. Not super dark, I'd say it's medium dark. But the knots you're gonna see that in the knots a little bit. And then here's that left part. Looks good. It goes all the way back to the crown. Yes. So, which I really, really love when they do that. So I've got great coverage around the face at the ear tabs. This wig is fitting me. This is said to be petite average. It's definitely fitting me like a petite. Fits fine ear to ear. Fits good forehead to nape. It is a wefted cap, so there's some stretch, in the cap and in the circumference. So it will definitely fit average and just above average, I believe. So, really, really cute. Okay, so let's get into her measurements. Here in the front, we have an 11-inch layer. At the crown, we have 8.5 inches, so that's where you can see she's just got some layering throughout the piece. The sides are 9.5 inches. The nape is a 6-inch nape. And then weight-wise, she comes in at 3.7 ounces, so she's very, very lightweight, very, very comfortable. Like I said, I really like the fit on my petite head. Okay, I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, let's look at her cap construction. Here's that left mono part that goes clear to the crown. I always love that feature. I love when they extend those all the way back to the crown. It's so nice. And then here we just have closed lace. There's no permatease or anything that I'm feeling. So she has this extended temple to temple lace front. It gives you that true temple to temple coverage. Really, really a nice lace front. She has the soft felt ear tabs and there's metal in there to keep that flush against your face. She has an open wefted cap. She has an extended soft felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Plenty of stretch in an open wefted cap like this. And then there's stretch in the circumference as well. Okay, let's take a look at this color. So this is the Sandy Blonde Rooted. Color code wise, it is a 162220. So those are the colors that are going through the wig. I don't think that they have given you a root color with those numbers. So root color looks to be, I don't know, it's kind of a cool toned dark root. So I don't know if they didn't give it, so I'm not going to guess, but it's fairly dark. Like I said, it's a medium dark brown, I would say. Not the darkest like a black root or anything like that, but it is fairly dark. So, okay, so description-wise for Sandy Blonde Rooted, we have a medium honey blonde, a light ash blonde, and lightest reddish brown. with blend with dark roots. So the reddish brown, maybe that'll pop when we're outside. That's not something I've noticed in this color. I consider this color to be more of a neutral blonde, even though it has the sandy quality to it. I think that gives it a little more warmth, but it also has some cool tone qualities too. Like I said, I consider this root to be on the cooler side. You do have the sandy color that's bringing in some gold. Anytime you see sandy and honey and that kind of thing, you're talking, you know, more in the yellow range, gold range. But then you have a lot of this ash blonde going through here, which I think just kind of evens out the warmth and the coolness, making it to me more of a neutral. So, but really, really pretty color. This has become one of my favorites by Ellen Villa. I got my Leah 2 in this color. So anywhere you separate the hair, you're gonna see that root color. You see it around, on Ellen Villa, you do still see it at the lace, although they do place some of the lighter highlights at the face too, but you definitely see it as you go down these ear tabs. You're gonna see it at the nape if you pull the hair up or something, so. Okay, here we are outside with this sandy blonde rooted. Your lace front part. Here we are, still in shaded light, but going towards the sun. Not seeing red. It must be really blended, that reddish brown. Okay, we can play around with her a little bit with styling, look at glasses. So you can definitely tuck her behind the ear. She's very easy to tuck. Like I said, she's low density. She just has these heat-friendly fibers. They've put these, tousled waves in them. So she looks like she's more density than she is, but she's very low, very natural density. So glasses are no problem. Go up on your head, no problem. I think she's gonna look really cute with a headband. So headband, we can keep this layer in the headband if we want to. Or I think it would be pretty because I love the way this wave, now of course I can't guarantee your wave is gonna swoop like this. Sometimes there's differences, when they come out of the box, but I think that's a pretty little wave right by the face with a headband. And a headband is so easy on your heat-friendly fibers, so especially these fabric ones. So it just kind of gets the hair away out of your face a little bit, off your face without putting a lot of tension on those heat-friendly fibers. So really cute. So she does have the length to go half up, half down. You could put a little claw clip back here. And again, this front layer is going to want to come down, so I would just let it do what it wants to do. And this side seems like it's holding. It's pretty tight, but you could always bring down a layer there too, and that would look cute. Really cute. Now, I don't know about updos. Let's see here. Oh yeah, you could get a little tiny pony. What was that, nape 6? Yeah, you can get a little tiny pony if you just want to get it off your neck. Or I would do a little twist and use a flat clip. So twist that up and then put one of these, let's see. Oh, where is she? You could use this, a clip like this across there, and that would hold it really nicely. So, or here's the one I was looking for. One like this would definitely hold it. Then you have the hair down around your face. I hope that looks good. I never know on camera if it actually looks good, but it looks cute from the front, that's for sure. Really, really cute. Okay, so I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review. Oh, one more thing I wanted to talk about the styling is, let me take it down. I was going to just leave it up, but like I said earlier, you can definitely add waves. You could, get this hair away from your face if you wanted to more. I think you could style it like that. You might have to use a little product or something, but you could use your heat and get it off your face, you know, and even get some height up here, because with that, what was it, 8.5-inch layer up here, you do have just a slightly, you know, shorter layer up there on the top where you can get some height, a little drama if that's what you want to do. So yeah, I think she's a really, really cute style. I really like her. She kind of reminds me of Shuffle, like just a little bit shorter than their Shuffle wig. And of course, Shuffle is not heat friendly and this one is heat friendly. So, okay, now I will thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review for you all today. There'll be purchase information in the drop-down box down below this video. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.